Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here I am your English teacher Miss Sadaf Javed with new topic of class 5 English grammar, that is active passive voice. Active passive voice must be a new term for you people, so listen to it carefully so you can understand it. Before knowing about active passive voice, we should recall that what is a verb. A verb is action. Verbs are action words. We cannot make a sentence without a word. It is for the most important word in a sentence. What is verb? Verbs are action word that tells or says something about a person or thing who has done some action. For example, playing, keeping books, thinking, sitting, standing, etc. All the things in the universe are in action. Active passive voice are also about verb. What is active passive voice? The voice. The voice is the form of verb which shows whether the subject does something or has something done to the subject. We talk about the subject in active passive voice. For example, in active voice, what is active voice? A verb is in the active voice when its subject does something. Here, the subject does some action, and this is active voice. For example, Ali makes the picture. This is a complete sentence because it contains subject, verb and the object. Ali is subject, makes verb, the picture is object. So here subject has done some action. Ali makes the picture. In passive voice, it is the reverse of active voice. A verb is in the passive voice when something is done to its subject. In passive voice, we talk about the subject, that something has done to the subject. For example, we will change the same sentence. The picture is made by Ali. Here you can see we have changed the position of subject and object, and also we have changed the form of verb. Makes become made. It means that subject takes the place of object, object takes the place of subject, and the verb third form is used with addition to by. A preposition by is added to complete the sentence. Here are the rules of active passive voice. We are going to study about simple past tense. This is simple past tense, something which has been done it in the past. The rules are: subject takes the place of object, object takes the place of subject, third form of verb is used, and helping verb are was and were, and preposition by is added. Then pronouns are changed. He become him, she become her, we become us, they become them. In passive voice, you remain you, I will change into me, it will be it, and name will be name. These are the rules. So here is the exercise. Change into passive voice. He drank a glass of milk. This is simple past tense, so second form of verb is used. Something which has been done in the past. He is subject. Drank is verb, and the object says a glass of milk. Now we are going to change the position. A glass of milk. A glass of milk is singular, so helping verb will be was. Drank is the second form of drink. We are going to use third form, that is drunk. A glass of milk was drunk. Adding preposition by, he become him. This is passive voice. This was simple. They watched a movie. Now again movie is singular, so a movie was watched by them. They becomes them. Ali flew a kite. A kite is also singular, so a kite helping verb was, and flew is second form of fly, and the third form is flown. A kite was flown by Ali. The name remains the same. We bought some vegetables. Listen to it carefully. We bought some vegetables. Here vegetables are plural, so some vegetables were. We are going to use helping verb were with the plural vegetables. Some vegetables were bought by us. We become us, and the third form of bring is bought, so bought again. He cleaned the room. The room was cleaned by him. I learned the test. Learned is the second form of learn, and the third form of learn is also learnt. I learned the test. The test was learnt by me. I becomes me. She brought a new dress. A new dress was brought by her. She becomes her. This was very simple. Now this is your homework, dear students. You have to convert these sentences into passive voice. The children played cricket. We ate oranges. I wrote a story. These are very simple ones. Now the second part of this video. Active passive voice but with different tense. Past continuous tense. Continuous means something is going on. But where? In the past. Something was going on in the past. It is past continuous tense. Rules are same with little more differences. For example, subject takes the place of object. Object takes the place of subject. And definitely third form of verb. Helping verb will be was and were with addition of being. If there is continuous, then we are going to use being, B-E-I-N-G. Continuous are those verbs which end at ing, thinking, writing, reading, etc. If these are used, then we are going to use being in passive voice. Preposition by is added, and again pronouns are changed. Okay, he was writing a letter. Something he was doing in the past. He was writing a letter. A letter is object, he is subject, writing is verb. Now how are we going to change it? Object will change the place with subject. A letter was writing. With writing we are going to use being because it is continuous. We are going to use the word being. And third form of verb write, that is written. A letter was being written by him. It is very simple. Let's move to next example. The laborers were making a new road. Something was happening in the past. So object is a new road. A new road was being. Making is the verb here. So we will add being. And the third form of making is make is made. A new road was being made by the laborers. These are the subject. She was correcting our papers. Again our papers is object. She is subject. And correcting is verb. Continuous verb. So our papers. Now here papers are plural. So we are going to use were. Our papers were being. Correcting is ing. So we are going to use ing being. Being and correction. Third form of correction is corrected. Corrected by her. Our papers were being corrected by her. She becomes her. Abira was painting the portraits. The portraits again plural form. So we are going to use were. The portraits were being painted by Abira. The third form of paint is painted with heading being. Number 5. My mother was baking the cake. A cake was being baked by my mother. Number 6. The players were throwing the ball. The ball was being thrown. Third form of throw is thrown by the players. Number 7. I was buying a new dress. A new dress was being bought by me. Okay, this is your homework. Akbar was washing the car. We were watching a movie. The clerk was typing the letter. You are going to switch the places of subject and object, and you are going to add being and third form of verb. For example, wash. Third form of wash is washed. Washed. And here watching. Third form of watch is watched. Typing. Third form of typing is type. These are very simple sentences. These are your homework. So kindly do your homework. Stay safe and healthy. Allah Hafiz.